Oh, R6, no, S1000R, MR. S1000RR, MMMMMRRROO, something crap. Come up with a better name, man. S1000 RR M series. Come on, man. You can do better than that. But that homie had a GoPro on his face. That means he has a third-person shot of me. I want it. I wants it. He's still there though. I don't think he can figure out how to open his little gate thingy, which is kind of sad. You got an M, man. Come on, dog. Jump it. Jump that home, man. Or that homie's waiting until somebody opens the gate and then he just rides through. Ooh, like dirty, all dirty like that. I see you, homie. I see you, homie. I see you, homie. That's that shady as hell, man. But I see you. I feel you, dog. Do it. He's waiting until a car comes and he'll act like he's, you know, waiting, or his thing isn't working, and then he just slides in. And then he robs the joint, man. And then he robs the joint. Adiola, body, yori, like a cola, baka. He didn't go, man. Go, you're just waiting for me, which I respect that, but the gap is tight. He wants it. That guy wants it. I'm gonna give it. I'm free. I'm running it free, man. Yeah, look at it, dog. Look at it. English girl like Fiona. African girl Ariola. Booty yori shaped like cola. Baka gringa closer. I don't even know where I'm headed, man, right now. This is like rush hour traffic, man. Hoes be coming out for work. They want to get home and they want to bone some. Boom, so I can't do it right now. I've been riding for a bit and my throat is blocked up right now. That thing is rougher than sandpaper right now, man. There's no way in hell I can do that bone saw voice from Spider-Man, homie. Can he fit? Can he fit? He can fit. It's a tight one, but he can fit. You know what I love about rap songs? So much talk about booty. That's what brings me in, man. I gotta be honest. That's what brings me in. Yeah, the beats are nice, but it's the booty. One girl named Becky. I can tell you right now, go with the name Becky, she ain't rocking anything. If it's just Becky, can't be nicknamed Becky. I'm talking about born Becky. She probably ain't holding that much to her name right now, I can tell you that. That Tesla, there's a Tesla right now who's keeping up with me, and I like that. African girl Ariola, body yori shaped like cola, baka come closer. Showing up. Waka Flocka playing right now. We got OG Waka playing right now, man. Blazer. Show me something, Blazer. Show me what you on, man. Show me what you on, man. You ain't on anything, man. To the music, I influence. Drug dealer music, I influence. I influence. His brain go kaboom, ow. So don't F around. Man, the longer we wait, no motorcycles are showing up, man. I'm like a magnet to anything but motorcycles, man. Slick like a baby. In the hood they call me baby. My poppin' acting like crazy. Only do with you. Only do with you. I'm feeling it right now, man. Just a good day. I'm burning my booty off. She's about to scream. Yeah. Screaming, flock the man. This music for the drug dealers, thug homies. They want me to speed. I ain't gonna listen to these hoes. They want me to speed. I ain't gonna listen to these hoes. They want me to act a fool. Nah, man. We got Jay-Z. We got Beyonce. No, we don't. Oh, we got Russian music, man. Oh, bro, Kakara, you're too loud, girl. Too loud. Can't hear anything. I'm over here thinking I'm messing with some big thing, Gucci thing, Mac Main on them. EA Sports, I got game on them. 500 degrees, Lil Wayne on them. If these sluts want to play, let's game on them. I don't know the rest. Nah, we got some Russian music playing right now, man. Just do it. Okay, first of all, if you ever riding around, you can't listen to R&B. Well, you can listen to R&B, but you gotta crank that stuff, man. You gotta crank that stuff, and I'm just not in a cranking mood. I'm just not in a cranking mood. Stop, maybe touch up. Unless I'm on a traffic light, then boy, I'm a bump to some R&B. I'ma shake some cheeks. I'ma vibe with myself. I'ma do the wave, but with my torso, to my hips, to my glutes, to my thighs, to my calves, to my non-existent calves. I'm not scared to admit it. My calf game, baby, it be weak. But blame my dad who left, man. My daddy who left, blame him. His genetic. Wait, where am I? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know, we are at the training grounds right there. If I take that road, training grounds right there. Let's take that home. And let's call it a day. I'm not supposed to go here, by the way. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be here. So I'm not supposed to be here, man. I ain't supposed to be here, man. I'm not supposed to be here, man. I'm gonna get clapped, my man. If they see me on these streets not taking my helmet off, man, I'm gonna get clapped. I'm playing. I'm not. It's not that bad. Here in Mexico. Oh, Backstreet Boys. Backstreet Boys, homie. What you know about this, huh? What you know about this? What you know about this, man? What any of you guys know about this, man? Backstreet Boys, In Sync. You guys were crazy. You guys were going crazy with Eminem, Dre, Snoop, Dre, all them hoes at the halftime show. Yeah, man. Eminem, I took my top off. Snoop Dogg, I was walking it. I was walking it with him. I was not rocking it. I was walking it with him. Kendrick, I was like, boy, you touch my vibe, I'm gonna slap you. I was feeling myself. Dre, I liked it. I enjoyed it. You know, Cali pride. I was born in Cali, by the way, but I was feeling it. I was jamming with it, man. Ain't nobody walking like me and Snoop, man. Ain't nobody walking like me and Snoop. Dre, man, his beats make me want to belly dance. Eminem, like I said, top was off and I was showing it off. Top was off and I was showing it off, man. But if you'll give me NSYNC, you give me, yeah, Backstreet Boys, man, the B-Boys, rocking it up, shaking it up on stage at a halftime show at a goddamn Super Bowl. I'm there. I'm twerking it, man. I'm twerking it. I'm working it. God, man, that would be a dream come true. NSYNC. You got mother effing, you got Backstreet Boys, B-Boys. Throw in like a little cameo from Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again. Oops, you did do it again. You broke my heart again, man. Oops, you did it again, and I ain't even mad. I'm not even sad. I ain't even angry, man. Keep breaking my heart, Britney. Maybe a little genie in the bottle magic from a little Christina Aguilera. Probably not, but I'm just saying it. And you guys got me there, man. You guys got me. Front row twerking it. Front row twerking it. That's me. And for free. Ain't gotta pay me to watch, man, or look. Look, take pictures, do what you want. It's free. But I'm there. Ooh, and I'm working it. A little tearing up my heart. A little gonna be me. A little everybody. All of them, man. Quit playing games with my heart and make it happen. Nah, but seriously, I'd enjoy that. I really enjoy that. That'd be a beefer. I got Backstreet Boys playing right now. But again, Kakarot too damn loud. Moaning like she on date night. Not the show, like it is an actual date night. Not the show. Oh no, the show's not called Date Night, it's called Dateline, right? The show where they catch predators. Ooh, papi, give me one more time. Ooh, señorita. Como ça, que pasa? English, Spanish, sprinkle some French. What more do you want? Trilingual. Actually, no. Polygot? Pretty sure that's some racial slur I just said. I didn't mean it. I'm just saying when you speak a lot of languages. Oh, we got gold digger. Why you say she a gold digger? Oh, she ain't messing with no broke homies either, though. Nah, she not gold digger. Nah, man. I'm rich where it matters. My heart. My heart. That's where. That's inner beauty or inner love. No, inner wealth. There you go. Oh my God! I was about some moped, man. That's what am I supposed to do with this guy? I'd rather have him on the streets than this dude. I know he's doing his own thing and stuff, but like, oh man, them burst off the streets. He was nice. He told me to go. I was clowning him. What am I gonna learn, man? Not everything needs to be said. But I can't keep stuff within me. I gotta let it out. Gotta let it out. I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke homies either, man. But she messing with me because my heart is made of gold. You digging it? Gold digging it? I thought I saw a shorty with a bandana. It was an old guy with a bandana, red, blood walking it, young blood, crib walking it. On the 18th year, he found out it wasn't his. Oh, la fuego. Alright, guys. Ooh, you have seen me ride around for quite a long time. And I think this video is going to be long enough, so let's chop it right here. Let's cut it, let's send it. This is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And I'm gonna continue riding into these hills, into these mountains, on that top little peak. You're gonna see me clapping it. Double cheek chop on a Wednesday. And you're gonna look at it, you're gonna say, that's my boy. And you're gonna throw some $9 bills. And it's gonna make me happy because I'm gonna be catching them and I'm gonna be clinching them. But we out. I just wanna say I love all you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. It really means a lot to me. My voice is chopped cheese right now, but I can still break out a couple letters for you guys to tell you guys I love you. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for all the love, for the support. I'm an idiot, but I'm an idiot on a motorcycle, and I ride like a Saiyan, sometimes insane. And I just appreciate you guys sticking it out with me. Remember, just give him more gas if in a second. I gotta fix that. But yeah, thank you guys so much. All the love, all the support as always. This is who I am, and you guys still continue to watch me, continue to support me. I can't thank you enough. And I'm gonna continue making videos. That's what I do. I love to ride around, and this is what I do. I just like to ride around, talk, record, chop it up, upload it. Chop it up, upload it. That's it. Nothing more, man. Nothing more. Grass-fed beef up in these streets, riding insane. Subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And until next time, I'm out. Peace, senoritas. Adios, amigos. And 2 up, 2 down. I'm out. Peace. Deuces off of the mounts.